An interesting feature about the command system in Modo is the command system aliases. Now, what are aliases? Well, aliasing is a powerful feature that allows commands to be given alternate names with preset arguments or even replace existing commands with other commands. And this can allow script or plugin commands to entirely replace a built-in command. So, how do you do that? Well, when you go to Modo and for instance you want to create an alias for the cmds.savelist command, which saves a complete list of all commands, then you could do that by typing in the command history cmds.aliascreate space and then the name you want to give it. For instance, save cmd list. Now I'm not going to press enter because as like it says in the wiki, this will be exported to your config file, and like it says it over here, its aliases are stored in the config, so I'm not going to store that in my config, and I'm only going to use it when I need to. But this can be a very powerful feature because you can also give it default arguments. So for instance, if you say cmds.aliascreate space save cmd list, that's the name I want to give it, and then between quotes verbose 1, next time all I have to type in the command history is this command, save command list, and it will create a list with all commands with verbose 1, so that means that there is extra information that will be added to the commands list. And you can even replace commands with aliases. So a more powerful but trickier capability is to replace one command with another one entirely. So this is useful if a new command is created that provides new features on top of the existing functionality, or you can simply preset values for the arguments of the existing command. So this will save you a lot of typing. The new command must be completely compatible with the existing commands, or else the application can behave erratically. So care must be taken to ensure that all works as expected. So just wanted to introduce you to aliases. If you want to replace a command with an alias with, for instance, preset values, then all you have to do in the commands list is type in, for instance, if you do that with commands save list, you won't spare much typing, because of course now get an error because save command list has not been aliased. But if this were an alias for a command with a lot of arguments, then you could write a script or you could create a macro, but you simply could also create an alias with preset values and then only type the word in here, and then it would execute it with entering a simple word instead of having to write all the arguments. So I hope you found this useful. Bye.